All right, now that our sauce is ready, we're going to go ahead and prepare our beans. So we're going to open up a can. And we're going to drain them into a bowl. We're going to bring them back to our cutting board. We're going to dump out our liquid. We're going to go ahead and dice our beans. Now we've got cornstarch in 2 of our sauces, and then we're dicing these beans. So while it may look like it's going to be very liquidy, by the time we're cooking, this should be actually a very thick dish. All right. We're going to take our beans and just scoop them right here into our bowl.